If you're wondering how to use JungleScout's Shopify integration, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the steps to get it up and running so you can maximize your e-commerce business potential. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share how you can get exclusive bonuses and a free trial of JungleScout to see for yourself how it can streamline your processes. JungleScout's Shopify integration makes it easier than ever to manage and scale your Shopify store by giving you powerful data insights directly within your Shopify dashboard. It combines JungleScout's product research and sales tracking tools with Shopify's platform to help you discover winning products, track your sales performance, and optimize your store's success. First, to use JungleScout with Shopify, you'll need to install the JungleScout app from the Shopify App Store. You can find it by searching for JungleScout directly or visiting the Shopify app marketplace. After you've installed the app, you'll be prompted to connect your Shopify store to your JungleScout account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one in just a few minutes. Once you're connected, JungleScout will start syncing your store's data. This is where the magic happens. JungleScout's integration automatically imports product and sales data, so you don't need to manually enter anything. You'll get a real-time view of your sales performance, product trends, and customer insights right from your dashboard. This integration also enables you to track your product's performance, identify top sellers, and make data-backed decisions without having to jump between different platforms. The really cool part is the product research features. You can use JungleScout's product database and filters directly within Shopify to find products that have high potential for profitability. The tool provides details on sales estimates, demand, and competition, allowing you to make more informed decisions when adding products to your store. With JungleScout's integration, you're not just relying on guesswork. You're backed by data that can help you find products your customers actually want. Another feature is the ability to track your sales performance over time. JungleScout helps you keep an eye on how well your products are selling, offering insights like monthly sales volume, revenue, and average price points. You can also track product-level profitability to ensure you're optimizing your margins. But here's the best part. The integration isn't just for tracking sales. It also helps you make decisions about inventory management. JungleScout will give you insights into when it's time to restock, helping prevent stockouts and ensuring your products are always available when customers are looking for them. This keeps your store running smoothly and helps avoid missed sales opportunities. As a bonus, JungleScout's Shopify integration is perfect for those who want to scale quickly. You can quickly see which products are performing well, replicate your best-selling items, and remove underperforming ones. This keeps your store agile and ready to adapt to market trends. Now, to get started, make sure you're using the software through the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive extended free trial so you can test out the Shopify integration and all of JungleScout's other features without any risk. Whether you're a Shopify newbie or an experienced seller, this tool can save you tons of time while optimizing your business for growth. In summary, JungleScout's Shopify integration combines powerful product research tools, real-time sales tracking, and inventory management, all within the Shopify platform. It helps you make smarter decisions, optimize your store's performance, and scale faster. You're getting the data you need to stay competitive and thrive in the e-commerce space. Don't forget, check out the first link below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Take your Shopify store to the next level today.